Even. And what are we going to do?
I'm not telling you.
But not too short, yeah?
Perfect. Ja. How's the heart rate?
Come on. Oh my god. Really short?
Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Joyce is back. And we went a lot shorter last time, but can't see a thing of it anymore. And we need to talk. It's time for a change. Everybody wants you to go shorter.
Yeah, everybody is saying it, but...
And everybody wants
I don't know.
this thing, the wheel of fortune, but let's make it a little less complicated. Even, it's your pick. Uneven, it's my pick.
Oh my god.
You up for a game?
Even it will be then.
You want to spin?
I will go for even.
Cool. All right, here's the wheel.
Yeah?
You ready for a spin?
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's do it.
We will see. Even. Oh my god.
23. That's...
Uneven.
So I get to pick.
Okay.
Sure?
Let's do this. I trust you. I
Wow.
trust you, Renee.
Well, I get to pick.
Okay. And what are we going to do?
I'm not telling you.
Okay.
We should blindfold you. No.
Okay.
It's part of the terror.
But not too short, Renee, yeah?
Can't promise anything. Hey, if you spin the wheel, then that's the promise you make. You can't disappoint everybody watching.
I will keep my mouth shut now.
I'm curious.
Too much hair.
Not for long.
I think I have to go now.
Yeah, you can chicken out still, but I think you'll be okay.
I trust you as always, so...
We never messed up.
No, never ever.
Sure?
Yes?
Okay. Ready? There we go.
Ooh. Yeah, nice.
Well guys, that was the cut. Pretty short.
Shorter.
There's a lot on the floor. How's the heart rate?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
good, it's good, it's good.
Yeah, the style's already a little bit there. We discussed some color and she wants to touch up her roots. So we're going to do that and then we'll start it off and show you the finished result. You can sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
Yes.
There you go. All dark again.
Come on. Oh my god. Really short,
But dark
but really nice.
and cool.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good job.
Cool.
Yeah.
Better.
Yeah. Heel leuk.
Well, that's it guys, we're done. Ha, she said you finally got your way with your wheel. I wanted it to look a little soft but badass, and the slick back cut is way cooler than the long pointy bangs. No, it wasn't exactly bangs, but a long top to the side. She lost a whole lot of hair.
Yeah.
It's all there on the floor, you can
All
see it,
there.
we can. I love it. It looks so cool. Thank you for the trust and for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.